Hello guys, welcome back to another vlogging channel. Yeah, and I mean unboxing, because I am going to be unboxing this. It looks absolutely amazing. So here's a look at the thingy. It says come and take me home. It says the same thing on the front of the thing. And it says try me somewhere. It says try me. I'm going to read it to you. It says try me. I talk, song and dance. Okay, fine. And it says flash, music, batteries, and it says 2 fun ways to play. Okay, I'm going to read that. So it technically says I talk and sing. I dance to my favorite song and yours too. This sounds really cool, but oh my god, look at this. Looks really cool. It looks like it's just gonna be like a movie or like a toy that's like look. It looks like it's gonna have a movie inside it as well, but probably not. But probably yes. And have a look on the other side. He's like his arms are flashing and it's a minion. So let's get this thing open and wait, I just need to set the camera somewhere. I'm just gonna set it like right over here. Right over here. Yeah, there we go. So now what I've got, oh my god, I got to place it. Okay, so now that I've got the box, I open it up. Oh my god, it's a minion. Oh my god, this is thing work. Oh, it's like, oh, it has battery in it. And look at the back of his thing. What is this? Oh, and it says, oh, and is this guy just gonna talk? Or is he gonna dance and sing? I don't know. I actually don't know. Gonna be honest, I've never seen how this works before, but let's just try it. I mean, not trying. Okay, and it has a on and off button, so let's turn this on. Oh my god! Look at this guy! Look at this guy! Look at this guy! Say hi to the camera. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, let me push it out. Oh my god! So technically, I need to say, how is he gonna talk? I don't understand. But how is he gonna talk technically? I don't know how. Say something. No, literally, what if I turn it off and do it? Say something. It's got like a speaker on the back, so I tried it. Say something. This guy's actually weird. And it says my favorite song and yours too. Ah! Okay, so sing. Now ask me with. Is he gonna dance it along? Do you wanna be? Do you wanna be? Oh my god, this guy's a legend. This is so cool. It's so cool. Oh my god. But where are you going? Are you shut off the camera or something? Oh my god. This is just so sick. Oh my god. This is my second unboxing and I just had this amazing day. Oh my god. I knew it was going to flash because, wait, let me just turn the sky off a second. Because it shows that it's flashing. Wait, let me turn it on as a light. Yeah, look, see his arms are flashing. I don't know if you can see it, but on the boxes, his arms are flashing. Now, you can just watch it, and I'm just gonna. Oh my god! so cool. Oh, I can control him. Oh, he's breakdancing. He's breakdancing. Oh, yo. Oh my god. That was me controlling it, by the way. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So I'll have to do and put this guy back in the box and yeah. I know. This is so cool. You know, I just can't believe he dances. Oh, sick. Oh, sick. And he has like a little scanning thing over here. I don't know if you can see it, but thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna watch this video definitely because, or I might as well just turn it on and watch it. And yeah, I never say this in my video, but hit that like button and subscribe and hit that bell as well. Bye.